What up, good people? Today is 2-Minute Tip Tuesday. Let's get into this video. So today we're gonna talk about, should you use your transmission to stop? What you mean by that, Artofspeedd? Alright, we all guilty of this. So we'll use our transmission to stop if we're in a rush. I know I see my wife doing it, I see my mom do it, my sister definitely do it. Yeah, I'm calling you guys out because, man, I see it and I'm like, yo, y'all need to stop that. So I see them going in reverse and then slamming it into drive, and you looking like, yo, do you care about your car? Do you care about your car? And they looking like, yeah, I love my car. And I'm like, no, you don't, because guess what? You just use your transmission as brakes. And you don't want to use your transmission as brake. You have brakes on the vehicle to stop the vehicle. The brakes is there to do the job, to stop the vehicle, but you can put the vehicle into drive or reverse. The transmission is there to go into gear because you're driving backwards or you're in a rush and you're reversing the vehicle and then you're throwing it into drive, or you're pulling in your parking spot and the car that have not came to a complete stop and it's still rolling and you slamming into a park. So when you're driving your vehicle, take your time. I know we're all in a rush nowadays. Yes, we're in a rush, but let the car do what it need to do. If you're going in reverse, go in reverse. Let the car come to a complete stop and then put it into drive. If you're driving, let the car come to a complete stop to put it in park, or vice versa, or put it in reverse. Do not have the car still moving and slam it into reverse or slam it into park. We don't want to have those problems. A transmission costs from $2,000 to $10,000. Brakes cost from $100 to $200. So which one you want to replace, the transmission or the brakes? I'm gonna be honest with you, I want to replace my brakes that of my transmission. But if you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of the Artofspeedd family, go ahead and subscribe button. Yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you next video.